Hello everyone, this is Vineta and you're welcome to Vineta's Kitchen. This is a breakfast recipe and it's very easy to make, and at the same time it's very fast. It's something that you can do within 10 minutes and you're good to go. You can decide to use beef or chicken for this recipe, but I used boiled eggs and I chopped the eggs into smaller pieces. So I'm using mayonnaise, that's Bama. I prefer Bama. Bama is very nice, guys. So in this part I'm going to extract the oil from the Titus, that's this sardine. You don't need the oil, guys, like you don't need the oil at all. So I extracted the oil and I'm going to be transferring the fish into the bowl that contains the egg and the mayonnaise, and I'm just going to mix it together. So like I said earlier, this is very easy to make and very fast. You can take this for breakfast, or you can just take it as a snack. Like, we in the house now, we love bread a lot, so we just make this, and when you just feel like, I'm not hungry, but I just feel like chewing something. So this is very fast and very easy. Just mix it together, get your bread ready. You can use any kind of bread, but I used this burger bread. So you can decide to use a burger bread or use a normal bread, like any other kind of bread. You can use sliced bread. Yeah. So I added a little bit of chili pepper here, just a very little bit. But if you want it extra spicy, then you can add as much pepper as you like, and you can add chili pepper, that's the fresh chili pepper. You can just dice it and add it, or you stir fry the chili pepper first before adding it so that it does not taste so raw. And you can skip the tomato parts, it's not compulsory. You can skip the tomato part, you can skip the lettuce part if you do not like it. But trust me, guys, if you combine this lettuce and tomato together with this mayonnaise mixture, it's very nice. Like, it's very nice. And at the same time, you're still trying to eat something healthy, something very okay for your health, which lettuce is okay, it's part of vegetables. So I'm just going to be dividing this bread into 2 parts. And spread it on the bread. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thanks for staying tuned to the channel, and if you're new here, you're welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please, why haven't you subscribed? Please just tell me why you haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would really help me a lot. Like, I'll be so happy. Like I said, you can skip the lettuce part and the tomato part. You can just put in the mayonnaise mixture in on your bread, and we have it like that. So guys, please follow my YouTube channel. This is just a quick recipe for like a breakfast or a snack. So guys, please subscribe, like, turn up the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post anything, because I am going to be posting a whole lot of videos. Yeah, I am going to be posting a whole lot of videos back to back. So I'm just going to be, doing this again. Just gonna be doing this again so you can see how I did it. Very, 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 very simple without even watching the video itself. Even if I just use my mouth there, very, very simple to make, but just doing it again. So as you can see, it looks so very beautiful and it tasted so yummy as well. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, like this video, and come back again. I'll be expecting you. Bye.